In this video today, I'm going to answer your most frequently asked question on Poppo. In case you are new and you don't know, Poppolive Vone is the new streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. But I've done a lot of video about that and I'm going to link it in the description of this video. But today, I want to answer your most frequently question. But before I go in there, I want to first of all say thank you so much for all the birthday wishes and congratulations to us for hitting the 20,000 subscribers. And woo, my daughter made this. She crafted this for me, so thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you all. So without wasting much of your time, let me start answering your question. The first one is, Poppo and Vone, are they the same? I am confused. When I click on the link, I see Vone or I am on Poppo and the network is fluctuating and all that. Yes, Poppo and Vone is the same app. Most especially if you are using an iPhone now, if you go search for Poppo, you are not going to see Poppo, but you will see Vone. But Poppo and Vone are the same thing. All you need to do is download the Vone app and log in with the same detail that you use in signing up for Poppo, and then you will still access everything the way it is. Although some of the interface is different, but everything is the same. Like your coin and everything remains the same there. So the next set of questions was asked by an amazing soul, CCIO. CCIO, thank you so much. Like, you asked this question less than an hour ago, and I decided, let me just answer this question this same day. So if all this interests you and you appreciate what I do, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency, and now we talk a lot about Poppo. All right. So the first question is, can a level 1 join the normal VIP? Yes, level 1 can join normal VIP. You can join today and become a VIP. But in my own opinion, I'd rather go to level 4 or 5 before becoming a VIP. Imagine owning a Jeep and living in a one-room face me and face you apartment. So that's how it sounds. So since the lowest VIP you subscribe to is 95,000 coins, and that 95,000 coins, you can use it to upgrade from level 1 to even 5, 6 or thereabout. Why not first of all get to that level before becoming a VIP? All right. So who takes me to the next question? Can the daily coins be given that is being given on Poppo be converted to points or money directly to your account? Yes, and this is how you can do that. When you are a VIP, there is daily reward that you collect on Poppo, and I've done a complete video showing you, explain to you all about the VIP and how I practically show you all that. So on daily basis, if you are a VIP, it depends on the VIP. We have 3 types of VIP. If you watch that video, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. So all you need to do is this. Every day, either you perform task or not, you go collect your coins. So as a VIP, what you receive is coins and not points. So as you receive that coins, what you need to do, if you want it to be converted to points, all you need to do is to do an exchange with another person, so that when you exchange, what you receive is going to be points, and you can withdraw that point in as far as it has accumulates up to $10 minimum. That is what you can withdraw on Poppo. Okay, and the question go further. How do newbies get coins to gamble or play games to win? Because when you are completely new, so if you are completely new, I've done a video sharing with you 7 different ways you can get free coins on Poppo. But at the same time, if you really want to grow big on the app, I will encourage you, if you have the money, you can buy coins. Like currently right now, I sell 16,600 coins for 1,600. Is fluctuating between 1,500 1,600 naira, which is less than $2. Okay, so you can buy your own coins and do that, and you can either buy from your account with your credit card or reach out to an agent like me. But somebody like me, I drop a link to the Telegram group that I have. From that group you can DM me, but always please don't just send money to me. Confirm that I'm online before you send money, so that it will not be that you reach out to me, you transfer your money, 2-3 hours I've not responded, to avoid all that. So please give me a like. Thank you so much. The next question is, what is live float tag and platform tag used for. So the live log tag and platform tag is used for announcement on the platform. Like you can use the platform speaker to drop an announcement. You can say come for exchange, or some of this live flow tag that is floating, those red tags, you can use that. And I explain it deeper in this video that I talk about VIP, where you will see me doing practically showing you how to use all those award or reward or incentive that is being given to you as a VIP member on Poppo or Vone. So the next question is, if we do not gamble with the coins, will Poppo collect it back? No. The moment you collect that that coins from as a reward from as a VIP member on daily basis, you can decide to keep it, accumulate it since when it's until when it is more, then you exchange it. But you can decide to just exchange it. You can just decide to just leave it there. There's no big deal. But once you receive it, it is yours. It doesn't expire, so it remains your own. Okay, the next question is, lastly, does ranking forward means the rank one will receive as they keep playing? Yes, as you rank forward on the Poppo, as seen in this screen now, I'll show you, there are people that are receiving up to $10, $100 on the app because they are ranking forward. That there's this lady, I joined her live stream the other day. All she does is she's playing game, and she will just tell you play big, play small, play big, play small. I went in there, I couldn't even have a seat to sit, but I went there with 15,000 coins, but I left there with 80-something thousand coins, just because I'm scared of going big. Hadn't been I go big, people left that party that day with thousands and hundreds, millions of coins, people that are ready to play big using 50,000 coins and 100,000 coins. So if you are interested in learning how to play games on Poppo and you don't know how, I have a complete playlist, and I'm going to still drop it in the description of this video. So yeah, thank you so much in advance for the answers. I look forward to hear from you. So thank you so much. You are welcome. I greatly appreciate you all. As you can see, this question was asked an hour ago as I'm filming this. Today is today's 22nd, right, Auntie Mercy? Okay, today's 22nd of November 2022, and this question was asked today, and I'm filming this video, I'm editing it right away, and I'm uploading it. What am I trying to say? If you have some burning question and key question like this that you ask, oh, this is what I love doing. I can just pick up my phone, film it, explain to you in detail, give you some help to be able to like answer your question, because this is what I'm passionate about. And you can actually support me by sharing, by liking, by dropping a beautiful comment. Yes, my birthday was 17th of November, so this is just 4 or 5 days ago. So thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you all for the love, for the likes, for the message, for the status, for the phone call, for the gift. I don't take that for granted. So thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Meanwhile, the link to join my Telegram is in the description of this video, and here's my Poppo ID. You can reach out to me, you can DM me, you can join my live stream if you have any question. It doesn't matter either you are under my agency or not, I always take my time to answer your questions. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.